Hey everyone, welcome back. If your File Explorer preview pane suddenly stopped working in Windows 11 version 25H2, you're not alone. Microsoft has officially confirmed this change, and yes, it's intentional. In the latest Windows 11 25H2 and even 24H2 updates, Microsoft disabled the File Explorer preview pane for files downloaded from the internet. But here's the catch: if you create or save the file locally, the preview still works just fine. For those who don't know, File Explorer has two handy panes. The Details pane shows file info like author, date, and size, while the Preview pane lets you see the file's content, like a Word doc or image, without actually opening it. Now, when you try to preview a file downloaded from the web, you'll see this warning message: the file you are attempting to preview could harm your computer. If you trust the file and its source, open it to view its contents. So why did Microsoft disable this feature? Turns out, it's about security. The company found that the preview pane could quietly leak something called NTLM credentials when previewing files downloaded from the internet. Whenever you download a file, Windows marks it with a tag called Mark of the Web. This tells the system the file came from an external source, like your browser, email, or even SharePoint. And if that file references images or fonts from a remote network path, Windows might accidentally send your NTLM authentication data. That's a big security risk. In simple terms, NTLM credentials are a hashed form of your Windows login, basically a coded version of your password. If those get exposed, an attacker could use them to impersonate you on the network. To prevent that, Microsoft completely blocked previews for downloaded files. Microsoft told Windows Latest that, starting with security updates released on and after October 14, 2025, File Explorer will automatically disable previews for files downloaded from the internet. So if you really trust the file and the source, you can manually unblock it. Here's how you can restore the preview manually: right-click the file in File Explorer. Choose Properties. Under the Security section, check the box that says Unblock. Then click Apply. Now, your file should preview normally again. But if you have a lot of downloaded files, there's a faster way using PowerShell. Just run this command. This will unblock all PDF files in your Downloads folder. You can change the path or file type as needed. This change is part of the October 2025 Patch Tuesday update, the same one that also caused issues with Windows Recovery Environment and localhost. While it improves security, it's a bit inconvenient for regular users. So, what do you think? Should Microsoft give us an option to toggle this manually? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you understand what's going on, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others stay updated with the latest Windows changes.